Hello, I'm Brenda. Today is Thursday and it's almost 6 p.m. Today's vlog is night routine and I'm gonna show you guys everything I do after I finish my work every day. So I finish my work 5 p.m. every day and I want to switch Chalet to get my dinner. So this is my dinner for tonight. I also got 2 packages. I'm pretty sure this one is with all my eye drops because I use computer, laptop, or even my phone every day. I think almost 20 hours, and it's really not good for your eyes. So guys, don't do it. But because my job is marketing, so I have to use computer. And also after work, on my free time, I also do some video editing. Also, I need to study to do a lot of online classes and do some translate jobs. So I have to use computer all day long. I do have a blue light glasses that I put on every day. So this is what I got. Let's see. First, it's like Band-Aid, but it's like fluid one. And this is for your acne, because I always have some pimple here, some acne here. So this is for acne. And I think this is the same. So they are same thing, but just different brand. And this one, so this one is for your muscle pain. It's like heating pad, cooling pad, but it's not an actual pad, it's like a cream. So every time you feel like your back is hurt, your neck, your shoulder, your arm, your leg, you just rub this thing on the actual area. So this one. And this is eye drops. Eye drops. Eye drops. And I got more eye drops. This one is for nighttime. So before you go to bed, you just put this eye drop in your eyes. And this one's like overnight. Overnight eye drop. See? I have a small moon here. Yep, that's everything I have. And they also give you a menu about how to wear contact. It's very cute. It's very cute. It's like a manga. Very cute. Okay. And to be honest, for this one, I have no idea what it is. I didn't order anything else. Oh, right! Oh, I know what this is for. Hello, thank you. Hello, thank you very much for approving our product. If you have any questions or better suggestions, please contact us so that we can improve our product. They have some grammar error here. Thank you very much. Oh, I know what it is. Wait a second. So, what's this? This is my Kindle. And this is my Kindle case from Amazon. But this one is really heavy. So sometimes if I read at home, I don't need those cover. I want to just read like this. But I do want to have a small sleeve so I can put my Kindle in. Like you put a Kindle inside. And like this.
화영동 살인사건 피해자들 어떤 사람들이었어? 죽인 이유가 뭐냐? 그 인간 지금 어딨어? 전당포에 안 계셔? 없더라 거기. 혹시 너한테 연락 오면 말해줘. 간만에 몸 좀 부빌 일이 생겨서 그 인간이랑.
你是才起床吗？
来，给大家看看，哎，
好了，拜拜，安녕，安녕，拜拜，走吧。Just finished video call with my mom, and I was drinking this Coke Zero and eat this, and she's like, "Why you are still drinking Coke? It's a lot of sugar. You have to stop drinking Coke." I was like, "This is Coke Zero. There's no sugar inside." She's like, "No, Coke Zero is same. This is Coke Zero, Coke Zero. See? Calories 0, sugar 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I want to drink something cold, and beside Coke Zero I only have this pear juice. Oh, really good. Pas success à you. This is pear juice. Pas success à you. It's 11:30 right now, and I'm about to go to sleep. And there is one thing I always do before I go to bed every single day for the past like 10 years is I put a lip mask and I put some hand cream. Say good night. Have a good night.